Hello, this is Miss Homer, and I thought I would just do a Classmarker.com example of how you are to log into the exams that I will be assigning to you over the semester. So here it goes. You go to www.classmarker.com, and I took out my login information and I made an example and assigned an exam to this, so you could see how I would go through the process. So hopefully it will go smoothly. Your username goes here, your password goes here, and you simply click login. And we're not gonna save that password because, so I assigned myself an early intervention magazine. So basically when you log in, immediately you'll come to a screen like this where you'll see group tests because you're a part of a group. I believe you're CDS 250 2017 or something like that. You're assigned to a group. Anyhow, so you'll come in and you'll see that your group, which will be listed right here, will have a test assigned to it. Now, I assigned it for today at midnight until September 23rd. It's my birthday of this year, in case I wanted to do another memo. So what you do is simply click Start. And you get instructions. It says EI examination 1, 2, 3. You'll have 25 questions. It has no time limit. You get number of attempts as 1. Will allow you to save and finish after a later date, as long as it doesn't expire. And we'll talk about that too. The questions displayed per page is just 1. It will allow you to go back and change your answers as long as you haven't finalized the test. And it will not let you finish unless answers are any questions are it won't let you finish like taking the test with any of the questions unattempted or left blank. So that's kind of good. You can go back if you're not ready. So for example, you can start the exam, and I have a case study here on behavior, and I'm just going to guess because I didn't look at the answers. Actually, it says what's the main thing? Okay, so we'll see. I'll just say, okay, attention from mother. I'm not really sure what I did here. Tracking data, it's not always necessary. We'll say false. Okay, so say I want to stop after these 2 questions. I can save and finish for later and confirm to finish later. Now I can go back in and start it again. Let's say we want to go back. And let's see, and resume the exam. So you would go back to the group tests and you click resume. Okay, so we want to resume the test, and we'll say true. So you can see I'm just going to guess at these because I'm not going to take it. It's 25 questions because it was the least lengthy exam that I had in here. So it's just a made-up exam. And I'm guessing, not even reading the question, guys, at all. All right, and I'm kind of doing badly on purpose. Okay, so bear with me as I take it. I want you to see, and at any point in the exam, you can click this button, save and finish later, and you can log out and log back in. So that's kind of a cool feature. It was a selling feature for me when I paid for a subscription to this because the online forums that we have through the university don't have any great features. So, okay, so that was I didn't answer that, so I have to attempt the question. All right, and I literally am not reading these at all, so I think I probably have 0. All right. Oh, we're almost there. All right. And we're almost there. Ironically, I think this is on behavior as well. Okay, see, I didn't click it. Didn't let me go past it. All right, let's see. All right. We're going to learn about that in my class. Okay. And if you click too fast, it doesn't do that. Thank you for your patience. Okay. So you can see, you can finish it now or say, I finished the exam. I'm not really, 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 really confident that I did well. Okay. So what you could do is click finish now. When you click that finish now, it will give you a warning. Do you want to confirm that? And you're like, I'm not so sure. Once you confirm this, guys, there's nothing I can do. I can't really go in and fix anything. So it's always best until you're super sure that you're done to click this button. And at that point, you simply log out and you are done. I mean, not taking the exam. So that's basically classmarker.com. Once you finalize, you'll go to a screen. It says, congratulations, you finished your exam. I think it does kind of tell you, let's go back in there because I'm not sure. Actually, I was kind of confused about that. We'll say finish now. It's going to be very funny because I didn't pay attention to any questions. Oh, I got a 72 and I even guessed, guys. Woo, I passed. All right, so it will tell you what you correctly answered, what you incorrectly answered, and you can't really access this, I think, afterward. The nice thing about something I forgot to say is that when I issue questions, it randomizes the questions for me, and it randomizes all the answers for me too. So just know that no one of you is going to have an identical exam. It's possible for every single one of you to have an entirely different exam. So that's why I also chose it, is because less chance of cheating. I realize you're going to have open books and things like that, but I want you to learn the material. So, yeah. So anyway, it's all randomized. It's scored, and there are occasionally glitches, and do email me if there's a problem. But I got a 72 and I literally didn't read it. So imagine how well you're going to do, guys. Anyway, it's late. I just wanted you to know how to do classmarker.com. And that concludes our video. Okay, thank you so much. And hopefully it makes a little sense. We will log out. And ta-da, that's me. So, all right, have a great night, day.